I was just like, nope, nope, not, no. So we've got our brownie mix. It just didn't work. I'm feeling really old right now. Finally time to taste test the brownies. It was just a very weird movie. Happy Vlogtober Day 31. What was that? 31. I cannot believe we made it all the way through Vlogtober, but don't worry. I am going to be filming tomorrow and uploading that on Monday, so you get a bonus Vlogtober video. And as far as my November schedule goes, I'm thinking I'm going to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday for right now. I really wanted to do Vlogsgiving, but I just don't think that's the smartest thing for me to do, given that November is really crazy just on a personal level, but then with a business level, it's like Black Friday is coming up, so I've got to prep for that. And then also we'd be going into December, which is going to be Vlogmas. So I'm like, I really went back and forth with this decision, but I really feel like I just need to back it down to 3 uploads a week and not try to vlog every day, upload every day, edit every day sort of, you know, situation. So anyway, but I am going to be vlogging tomorrow, so don't worry, you guys get a bonus Vlogtober video. And if you haven't already, make sure that you are watching every video and commenting on every video, because sometime in November, I'm going to sit down and go through all of my comments on all the videos. And if you've commented on every video, then you're going to be entered into a drawing to win $25 shop credit to my shop. There's going to be 2 winners. I'm hopefully going to do it. I want to give everybody time to watch these videos and comment. So it's probably going to be like, I don't know, like November, let's say November 8th. I feel like that's a good day to do it, because then you guys have had like almost a week to finish watching all the Vlogtober videos. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure that you're watching everything and you're commenting on everything. And not just like emoji comments, but just like an actual like comment. Like, hey, hi, how's it going? Tell me how your day is. Tell me what's going on. Tell me when you're watching this video, that kind of thing. So definitely go do that if you haven't, so you can win $25 shop credit. It is almost noon on Saturday, and we've just been so lazy again today. No shame. Yesterday was great, and today is going to be a great day also. We might do a little bit this afternoon. I kind of wanted to go to a corn maze. James isn't so sure he wants to do that. He's kind of just like, I want to be lazy and stay at home. So I don't know what we'll actually end up doing, but either way, I'll vlog it for you guys and it'll be great. And then tomorrow is going to be a fun vlog because it's Halloween. And there's also church, so there's a lot of things going on. But Saturday is just like, this Saturday is chill. So yeah, we're just kind of having a chill Saturday again, because pretty much every single Saturday in November is already booked. Like, we have stuff going on. Like, especially next weekend, we're like busy the entire weekend. I know I've talked to you guys about that. And so November's already crazy. And then December, I'm sure, is going to be insane, because I know all but the first weekend in December is already booked up. So we have a busy life. So anyway, we're just trying to rest and enjoy time at home, because that's not going to be the case in the next couple of months. It's going to be pretty busy, but that's how it is this time of year, so you just roll with it. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi, start the vlog. Good morning. What time is it when you're watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. Update, you guys. I have dried my hair because I washed it earlier. Finally, I was like, I need to wash this hair. It's gross. And so that is done. We just took Dixie on a little walk, so I'm a little out of breath. And then I'm still just sitting here drinking my extra large tea that I made this morning. So anyway, I don't know what we're gonna do now. It's like lunchtime, so probably should eat some lunch, and I really don't know. I'm thinking maybe a movie marathon tonight, like Halloween movies, like Hocus Pocus, The Hollow, if we can find it, or no, the Vincent Price movies. House on a Haunted Hill, Haunted Palace. What else do we watch with him in it?
Last Man on Earth.
Last Man on Earth. I feel like there's another one too. I don't remember. Anyway, love a good Vincent Price movie. So probably do that. Maybe make some paleo cookies. Ooh, I wanted to go to the store and get brownies. Like there's this paleo brownie mix that I keep seeing that I want to make. So maybe we'll do that because we do have to go to the grocery store sometime today. Okay guys, we are back from the grocery store and I just want to do a quick little grocery haul and I'm actually really excited about some of the stuff that we got. So let's just get into it. Okay, so first things first, we did get a whole bag of like the food that we feed Dixie, these little Caesar things. It's like one of the only things she'll eat. Super picky dog. Then we got some almond milk because we bought this paleo dark chocolate brownie mix, which I will be making for tonight's like scary movie marathon that we're just gonna have. We just decided instead of doing a corn maze, we're gonna stay home and just enjoy our last like weekend at home for probably until 2022. It's pretty insane. So anyway, I bought this and it needed almond milk, it needed some coconut oil, and also some almond butter and some eggs. Then we got this candy for in case we have trick-or-treaters, and then if we don't get rid of it all, James will just take it to work because I'm not eating candy anymore. Then we have these bananas for smoothies. Our grocery store had either completely yellow bananas like this or completely green, so we just got like a little one to hold us over for a couple days. We got some strawberries and then we got some more acai packs for our smoothies, and that is the smallest grocery haul ever. I'll update you guys when we pick out the movies we're gonna watch. I think we're gonna watch the Muppet Haunted Mansion movie. So last night we watched the Haunted Mansion movie that came out in 2003. So I had seen it, but like I wasn't really paying attention to it. We watched it at school and it was like the end of the year. It was like 9th grade, I think. Yeah, because it would have been 2003, 2004. So yeah, 9th grade. I'm feeling really old right now. So it was 9th grade science class. It was the end of the year. We didn't have anything to do, you know, so it was just kind of a free-for-all. So the teacher put that movie on and we were playing card games. So I didn't really watch the movie, only halfway saw it. Then we tried to watch it, James and I tried to watch it, I don't know when, and I fell asleep in the middle of it, or actually pretty early on. So last night we watched it and it was just a very weird movie. I'm still undecided on if I liked it or not, to be honest. I was just like, this is just a weird movie. And the scene with the spiders, oh my gosh. I was just like, nope, no. So I was not a fan of that, but I don't know. If you've watched The Haunted Mansion, let me know your thoughts on that movie because I'm really not sure if I'm feeling it. I don't know, but we're gonna watch the Muppet one tonight, like the new one that came out, and hopefully that will be better and I will feel like, yes, I loved that movie and not just like, I don't know if I loved it or hated it, you know? So we're definitely gonna watch that. Probably gonna watch some Vincent Price movies. We might push that to tomorrow after like our church thing that we have. So maybe, I don't know, because there was a couple of other Halloween movies that were like, we should watch this. Of course we wait till like the day before Halloween to actually start watching Halloween movies, but you know, it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna put the groceries away and chill for a little bit and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right guys, it is time. So dinner is in the oven. And as soon as it comes out, I want to put these brownies in. So we've got our brownie mix. We need to grab a bowl to mix it all in. Let's go with the medium because I don't know how big we need this to be. Then we're gonna come over here. We need our almond butter, coconut oil, and an egg. And some almond milk. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients. It's time to whip them all together. time to taste test the brownies. We're also watching Muppets Haunted Mansion, which is so much better than the other Haunted Mansion. James is already taste testing without me. I'm gonna have this little tiny piece. What are your thoughts?
Not bad.
They're pretty good. Definitely different from regular brownies, but like, not bad. I like them. So anyway, we're gonna eat our brownies and then we might make cookies later. I don't know. We're just having like a total chill on the couch, movie night, eating junk food. Anyway, we're gonna eat our brownie, finish watching this movie, and we'll come back on in a little bit. Okay, we just finished the Muppets Haunted Mansion. And I have to say it was like 10 times better than the other Haunted Mansion that we watched last night. This one had like a lot of the funny jokes from the ride, and it just felt more like the ride and not like the other Haunted Mansion was trying to do its own separate thing, which is all fine and good, but they just didn't do that well. So it was like, because they didn't do that well and they didn't have like funny jokes from the ride, it just didn't work. But this one was really funny, and I'm not even a huge fan of the Muppets, but this one was really good, and I would definitely recommend watching it if you haven't. It's on Disney Plus. I don't know if it's anywhere else, but it's on Disney Plus, so yeah. And then we ate our Paleo Brownies. They're pretty good, definitely different from regular brownies, but I feel like it's just good if like I want something sweet or sweet, you know. It kind of like hit the spot for that, but it wasn't like your normal brownie full of sugar, you know. But I think that I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I do need to edit it at some point because we have church tomorrow. We have a really busy day tomorrow, and I want to make sure this video goes up at 1 p.m. because that is my schedule. You guys know the entire time we've been uploading at 1 p.m. so I want to have this done so that way I can go to church tomorrow. And we also want to finish having a scary movie marathon. So I think I'm gonna end it here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that we have one more Vlogtober video going up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to comment if you want a chance to win $25 shop credit to my shop, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye guys.